Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top rated makeup according to Dollar Tree's website. I will also be following this video up with the worst rated makeup products as well as best and worst rated beauty products and different types of videos like that as well. But I thought I would start here. I thought this was a really good place to start. I will have my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below if you love Dollar Tree oriented makeup videos and haul videos, or just Dollar Tree oriented videos in general. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me, and I would love to invite you to subscribe and become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. Of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. So I love a lot of makeup from the Dollar Tree, but I understand my taste might not always be someone else's taste. So I was very curious one day, and I went on Dollar Tree's website and looked up makeup and looked at reviews and ratings, and there's a lot of stuff that doesn't have a rating, but I went in and scoured and found makeup products that have a really good rating. I think I went with 4 stars or above, and they had to have at least a couple or a few reviews. It couldn't just be one review or two. I wanted to have more reviews than that. So I wanted to share a few of them with you. So I think there are 13 products that I deemed worthy due to the amount of reviews and their rating to share with you, and some of them I have tried and some of them I have not. So there's a lot of products that I do love and I do think would get a great rating, but they don't seem to sell them on the website. So of course this video omits that, but I'm sure I will make one of these videos again, as Dollar Tree is always changing and I'm sure their website is always changing. So I'm sure I will do another one of these as they add more products to their website or as more products get more reviews. So if you want to see the top rated makeup from the Dollar Tree according to their website, definitely keep on watching. So I will have pictures popped up here of the product on the website with the rating. So first on the list is the LA Colors Lip Gloss and Lipstick Duos. I do have a couple of these and they are, in my opinion, really nice. It's nice that you get a lipstick and a lip gloss. You can use separately or together. Like, to be a double product for $1, the quality of each of the products is really, really good. I think I have 3 or 4 of them. So they have 26 reviews on their website and they get a 4.7 star rating, which is really, really, really good. I have used them in a couple different tutorials and yeah, always enjoy them. And I think I have a new one that I need to test as well. And they've got, it looks like here on the website, they have about 6 different shades. Like I said, I think I have 3 or 4 of them. So yeah, definitely something if you're interested in a lipstick lip gloss duo and you are on a budget, definitely check out this product. It seems to fare really well, not just with myself, but other people as well. So this is also another product I have used. This is the LA Colors Expressions 12 color eyeshadow palette. And as you can see on the website, it says that it's back ordered, which means it's really popular. They have 83 reviews and 4.5 stars. And of course they have several different color stories. I have the trendy color story and I've had the, I think it's Supernatural, it's the blue color story. And there's still a couple that I have not tried yet. In my opinion with LA Colors, kind of the smaller the palette or the smaller the pan size, the better the quality. Now these are very nice quality. It's amazing you can get a 12 pan eyeshadow palette for $1 and have it do anything at all, but they really do have a nice color payoff. My thing is, and you can't really tell in this picture, but sometimes when you see them in person, it can be a little repetitive. So it's not quite as, so the colors aren't quite as varied in a 12 color eyeshadow palette as you would probably like. But I do like that they always usually have a light shade. They usually always have like a dark shade, so there's that variation. But sometimes the colors in the middle can get a little bit close to each other. But you know, for $1, if you are on a budget, these are really a nice way to go. They have like a blue color story, a purple color story, neutral color stories. They have like a couple colorful color stories. I mean, they just, definitely something to look into. My favorite LA Color shadows are like the 6-pan and the trios, and also the little 5-pan ones that I can't really find anymore. But this is definitely a nice way to go. You can really get a really nice look. It's not fancy, you know, it's not they're not fancy eyeshadow palettes, but it is amazing that you can get one for $1. And they do have a lot of different colors, and they get a really, really good rating on their website, and good enough to also be on back order. And I haven't seen too many color stories here recently in store, so they probably have been selling out in store as well, at least at my local Dollar Tree. So yeah, definitely check that out if you're interested. Again, another product I have used and personally really like. I really love LA Colors pressed powders and loose powders. Their foundations and concealers for me leave a lot to be desired, but their powder is great. And this is the first powder of theirs I ever used. I've since seen a couple more, like one with a clear cap and one that's a loose powder, but I've been using these little LA Colors powders in the black container for years. They have 48 reviews on the website and a 4.6 star rating. Of course, your color selection, you're not gonna get anything too dark or too light, but these are really good powders. Very nice to just throw in your purse or just to have around to just kind of give yourself a quick little touch up. I use them for shows all the time because, you know, for shows, I don't like to always wear my most expensive stuff all the time. You just need a powder you can throw on stage right, stage left, something for a really quick little touch up. But these are really, really nice powders. I can personally attest to they are definitely worth $1. Maybe I've used more of these products than I thought, but the next one is the LA Colors Expressions Shimmering Loose Eyeshadows. Now when I buy these, I tend, since they are shimmery, I do tend to go to a lighter color. Like I have the white color, I have the white shade, I think it's called Snow White, and then I have like some that are like kind of tan. One is in Honeysuckle, it's kind of like a peachy gold shade, and then I just bought another shade, it's like a taupe, and I don't think I've used it yet. But I've never tried the pink or the purple. I know they also have a gold that a lot of people say is a dupe for some Fenty eyeshadow or loose pigment or something like that. I haven't tried those yet, but these, again, 57 reviews, 4.4 stars. I have learned you do want to leave that brush in there whether you use it or not, because they do make a mess if you take it out and it rolls around in your bag or anything like that. But these are really nice. I mean, they would be a nice loose highlight. You could probably mix them in with lotion and get like a liquid body highlight. And of course, to add twinkle to your eyeshadow or your eye look, always a great thing. And again, those are back ordered as well. So yeah, these are really like kind of a favorite amongst a lot of people at the Dollar Tree. You do see them a lot on YouTube and people just love them. Here we go, the Ioni 3D Extra Large Wispy Full Dramatic Faux Mink Eyelashes. They have a ton of styles of these eyelashes. I know a lot of people have a hard time finding them because they're always sold out, but I wear this style a lot. They are so, a lot of people say that the band is really thick, and when I first started using them, I thought so too. But for me, I have to trim them a little bit, but for me, they last an obscene long time. I get so much time out of these eyelashes, and I just absolutely love them. They've got some that are more natural, some that are more dramatic. I always go toward the dramatic style. And this is the only style I have seen on the website, I believe. It also says you can order these in smaller quantities, because I know sometimes you have to order a bunch of stuff on the Dollar Tree website, cases of stuff, and who needs that? These are again back ordered, but they have 8 reviews and they have a 5-star rating. They are a newer product, so that's probably why there are less reviews, but if you've been on YouTube, you know that these are just an absolute, people have lost their minds. They're like viral, you know? So yeah, these are amazing. I can personally attest, I love these so much. They are not just my favorite Dollar Tree eyelashes, but they have become my favorite eyelashes. They have dethroned Ardell. Sorry, Ardell, but I love these lashes. Next is the LA Colors Professional Series 3-color eyeshadow palettes. I call them trios. To me, a palette is more than 4 pans. However, I have used almost every color story. They've got colors in these pictures that I've not seen, but I've used that black, gray, and white color story. There's one that's green, gold, and blue that's just gorgeous. It's all shimmer, but the pigment is stunning. Then they have one in sunflower and lotus, and they're like neutral, and they are like really nice little staple palettes. Like you could throw them in your makeup bag for vacation, and pretty much between that and maybe the black, gray, and white one, get complete looks, neutral looks, glam looks, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I did a holiday glam makeup tutorial. I'll have that link down below so you can check that out, but I used one of the trios in that look. Like I said, a little hard with the colorful ones to maybe use them on their own, but paired with some other neutrals, perhaps in the trio collection, you can get a lot of different really pretty looks, and they're very pigmented. Again, they're a smaller eyeshadow palette, so the quality is really good. Again, these are back ordered. They have 17 reviews and a 4.8 star rating. So these are really fun, especially if you're like just wanting to try out some color and you don't know where to start and you want to kind of start bright. This would be a good way to go. That way you only waste $1 or $2 and don't invest in like a whole palette of bright colors you might not like. So yeah, these are definitely one of my favorite things, and I really do need to try to keep an eye out for some more of these color stories. Then the LA Colors Expressions Bronzers and Blushes. I've used at least half these shades. I think there's only maybe 2 or 3 I haven't used in the blushes. And then I also have one of these bronzers as well, and it's a little shimmery, but definitely wearable, nothing offensive. The blushes are great. You can see they have a great color selection. Amazing little blushes for $1. Definitely comparable to like CoverGirl's Cheekers, which are also inexpensive, but these are still like 1/3 of the price. You know, if you paid $3 for one of those, you pay $1 for one of these. So definitely really nice blushes and bronzers. Again, they have 52 reviews and a 4.7 star rating. So I am new to this 6-pan eyeshadow palette from LA Colors. I've seen them for years and never picked one up until recently. I did a green holiday look when I was testing out some new Dollar Tree makeup. Again, I'll have that link down below. But I picked up the green color story in this. These are the LA Colors 6-Color Expressions eyeshadow palettes. They have 46 reviews and a 4.7 star rating. I have seen both of these color stories in the store before and have not yet tried them, kind of like a neutral and then like a blue, pink, and purple color story. Like I said, I have used green and the colors are amazing. These look a little less repetitive than the green color story. So I definitely need to try more shades of these. Again, another way to go if you just need a little travel neutral eyeshadow palette and you don't have an obscene collection like so many people do. And again, also too, if you want to dip into some color, great way to start out. And again, these are back ordered as well, so very, very popular. Now these I have used in the past and wasn't crazy about them, mainly because I have like a really dramatic lash. And I thought that these kind of felt really cheap, but I'm definitely willing to give them another try because that was probably about 3 years ago. We get the Sassy Chic false eyelashes with adhesive. And it looks like in this picture they have 4 different styles. It looks like a couple of them are kind of more on the dramatic side. A couple of them are more on the natural side. And I might have to give these another try. They get 12 reviews and a 4.7 star rating. I'm very partial to the Ioni, and kind of as a second best, and I'm actually wearing them right now, is the LA Colors. But I recently gave ColorMates another try and didn't mind them at all, and I definitely should try the Sassy Chic ones again as well. Some of it was probably just a learning curve on my part with eyelashes at the time, because I've only been religiously wearing false eyelashes for about 4 years, maybe 5, and I might have tried these 4 or 5 years ago when I was still a little unpracticed. And for the longest time, I couldn't quite bring myself to really like any of the lashes from the Dollar Tree. Then the Ionis came out, and like I said, years passed, and I just got better at working with them and using them. So I might have to give these another try. I don't know if I've seen them recently or not in my Dollar Tree. I see Wet n Wild all the time, LA Colors, and Ioni, but I might have to keep an eye out for these and give them another shot. But I do love a lot of products from Sassy plus Chic. Then we get the LA Colors Expressions Lip Colors. I have one of these. I think I've only used it maybe once, either that or I've only swatched it. I love LA Colors lip products. I really don't feel the need to spend a lot of money on lip products. It's just one of those products I don't splurge on and don't really feel the need to splurge on. And Wet n Wild lip colors I always love as well. And they're usually very cheap at the drugstore. But these have 83 reviews and 4.5 stars. Several different shades. And yeah, like I said, I'll really have to try the one that I have and give it a bigger chance. Because I don't know that this isn't maybe my least favorite in all of LA Colors lip products. So I don't have a ton of experience using this particular lip product from LA Colors, but I do love a lot of LA Colors lip products. Then we get the LA Colors Expressions Eyeliner and Brow Pencils with a Sharpener. So it's a 3-piece pack. This is also back ordered, 33 reviews and a 4.8 star rating. I have never tried this. I see them all the time. It looks like they have dark brown and black. Of course, the black I could use for like eyeliner. Dark brown I'd be able to use that as an eyeliner, but I don't know if I could get away with it for my eyebrows, although I usually do my eyebrows pretty dark, even with my faux blonde hair. I don't know if they have other shades or not, but I might have to give these a try as at the very least an eyeliner, because I'm still trying to find a really good eyeliner at the Dollar Tree. I don't know that that's going to be something that will ever make me as happy as something from the drugstore, but I'm always open, so I'll have to actually try these. Like I said, this is a product I have never actually tried. Then they have the e.l.f. Shape It Stay Brow Wax Pencils. This has 90 reviews and a 4.5 star rating. Dollar Tree, if you didn't know, does tend to have some staple e.l.f. products as well as like Wet n Wild products that are kind of always there. I think I've seen this before, but honestly, my eyebrows are practically non-existent. They don't need very much controlling. I wish they did, but they don't. So this is a product I probably realistically can't use, and if I did, I probably couldn't give you a fair review because like I said, my eyebrows are hardly anything. But if you are interested, this looks like an amazing product from the Dollar Tree. It looks like something you could spend a lot more money on as well, because brows got really hot like 3 years ago and everyone was buying all the brow stuff and everything. So yeah, definitely if your brows need some taming and you're lucky enough that your brows need some taming, definitely check this out. I'm very intrigued. And if you've used this, I would love to hear below what you think. Do you agree with these reviews or not? And last but not least, one of my favorite lip products from the Dollar Tree is the LA Colors Expressions lip glosses. These have 54 reviews and 4.6 star rating. I think I have 3 different shades of these. I have a coral, I have a pink, like a bright pink, and then I have one that's like sparkly. I think it's the shade here in the middle. And these taste amazing. They smell like fruit. They're really shiny. They're not that sticky, and they're $1. I don't know the lasting power, but you know, lip gloss doesn't typically stay a long time on the lips anyway. You know, they really don't have a long-lasting lip gloss. So for $1, you can't beat it. And these do have a great rating. They have 54 reviews and 4.6 stars, and I totally understand why, because these are really nice. I love the plumping glosses from Dollar Tree, as well as the velvet lip mousses. They just make some really nice products. Again, something you can throw in your purse and touch up and use as needed. But yeah, these are really nice lip glosses, especially for the money. So I hope you enjoyed getting to see some top-rated makeup from the Dollar Tree. And if you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up by hitting that like button. Like I said earlier, I will have my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below so you can binge watch all of my Dollar Tree oriented videos. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.